Coronavirus, a disease so deadly that it has not only impacted our health but has also crippled our economy. Businesses have suffered economic setbacks because of the lockdown but are looking to bounce back. As per the Ministry of Statistics, India's growth in the fourth quarter of the fiscal year 2020 went down to 3.1%. The MSME sector, which contributes to around 35% of India's manufacturing output and 37.54% to its GDP, has borne the maximum brunt of this pandemic. India is currently home to over 75 million MSMEs, which provide employment to over 114 million people. But a whooping 43% will shut shop if the pandemic panic extends. The situation is grim, but we salute that a majority of them are looking for capital to restart their businesses. The government has tried to bring some comfort by announcing a relief package to help the MSME sector and also revised the definition of MSMEs. But the benefit is still to be realized. At YouGrow Capital, we took the pandemic as a challenge to work within constraints. We were the first financial services company who managed to get our employees to work from home before the lockdown was imposed, so that we were ready to service any customer in need. We challenged our status quo and forced ourselves to think out of the box on how we could help MSMEs get access to credit during these tough times. We found answers in digitization of the remaining offline or physical processes. Because at YouGrow Capital, we intend to wage a war against the adversities caused due to pandemic. Our ambition is to help MSMEs bounce back to doing vibrant business by revitalizing the health of the sector and having easy access to credit. We are pleased to share that we have enabled video-based KYC, personal discussions, as well as e-signing of agreements. This is in addition to our proficiency in digital sourcing via the Grow Plus app, which you would have experienced. The MSME sector needs a lifeline, a second lease on life, to fight back during these testing times, and we are going all out to give a helping hand to the sector by becoming their guardian angel. Being a sector-focused lender, we have always been working towards building the MSME sector. We always had an edge over other lenders who have realized the potential of this sector much later. But we know that we cannot do this alone. We need partners like you. With your expertise and cooperation, we have made whooping disbursals worth Rs 1,366 crore with 7,764 customers last year. We have to fight this battle together, and we need your helping hand to overcome the challenges caused by this unprecedented situation. And as our partner, we guarantee that you will have an edge in doing business with us. And to celebrate this spirit of our partnership, we are now launching our new program Sanjeevani, designed to revitalize the health of this sector by giving it Sanjeevani. Let's give MSME a new lease of life. Join us in our journey to revitalize the financial health of India's MSME sector on 1st July 2020 at 3 p.m.